What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're here on location. We're over at John Kennedy Body Shop or Collision Center in Conshohocken here. What we got is a brand new Ford Mustang, the electric version. Sorry, not a huge fan of these, but in any case, here's the dent here on the door. So you can see it right there. Pretty sharp one. It's not aluminum. I thought this would have been aluminum, you know, with it being electric and everything, but it's not aluminum. So we'll see what we can do. Going down through the window there, I'm not sure how that'll come out. It is pretty sharp. It is pretty deep, but we'll see how it is that way, because if you look, there's no hole to go in through, like where the handle is, because there's no handle, door handle. It's just a push button. So we called the customer and I told him if I have to, I'm gonna pop a little, like just a tiny little hole there, and we'll plug it up. But we're gonna try to do it down through the window and see how it turns out that way. But never worked on one of these yet, so we'll see how it turns out. They also got this here too. Pretty sweet Ford GT. I'm not sure what happened to it. I think it might have been like damaged on this side over here, but it's always nice to see cool cars like this. Oh, I do see a little dent. You can see some like dents on the, there's one there, one here, one here. Maybe I'll be able to work on this car. That would be pretty cool. Never worked on one of these, so we'll see what happens. Oh, fender too. Looks like it might have got hit on this side. So same with the door down here. Oh, we might be able to, we'll talk to them, see if we could get this car in too, and that'd be pretty neat. Do a video on this. So sweet car. All right, well, back to this electric thing over here. So let's start on this and see how it turns out. All right, so we got this hooked up here. I got the door jammer in there and the window wedge in protector. It's not that bad. We should be able to get this down through the window. So we'll run right through this and we'll take you through the process and see how it turns out. Let's go. All right, we are all finished up. Came out really nice, no problems. The metal's a little weird on these Fords in general, especially this one. It's very, very thin metal, so it doesn't want to work up the whole area. It kind of, you know, works up little tiny pinpoints. So it just takes a little longer, but it came out nice. You can see the dent is perfect, all gone. A little tapping, a little pushing, no big deal. What I used this Ultra tool right here, like a 20-inch rod. I had this actually made like that. I had that handle put on in the center like that, and then it just has like a 4-inch blade on it. That's really nice going down through windows. But yeah, so just wanted to show you the results. I never worked on one of these cars, so I was kind of excited to work on it. I mentioned before, I'm not a real fan of these cars, but it's always neat to work on something new, see how it works, turns out. But yeah, there you go. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you can, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.